Looking for a flexible, durable, and easy-to-install cable protection solution? Corrugated conduit is exactly what you need. Whether you're an electrician, contractor, or engineer, this conduit can make your job easier. Its ribbed design allows for easy bending and rolling, making it perfect for tight spaces, curved installations, and even extreme environments, and making the installations faster and more efficient while still providing strong mechanical protection. There are 3 main designs to choose from. Standard corrugated conduit, great for general electrical installations. Superflex corrugated conduit, an enhanced version with extra flexibility for a complex rolling. Split corrugated conduit, a perfect option for retrofitting existing cables or maintenance work. And it's available in different materials such as PVC, lighter weight, resistant to moisture, UV light, and cost-effective. HDPE, extra tough and flexible, perfect for underground and industrial applications. Metal, heavier, more expensive, prone to corrosive unless coated, but provides superior mechanical protection and shielding from interference. Not all installation conditions are the same, and that's why corrugated conduits are also available in different strength levels, including light duty, typically used in applications that require minimal physical protection. Medium duty, for installations that face moderate mechanical stress or environmental exposure. Heavy duty, designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions and high mechanical stress. Why choose corrugated conduits? Compared to rigid conduit, corrugated conduit is lighter, more flexible, and easier to install, saving your time without compromising protection. If you have any questions, leave us a comment or email us.